Hey guys, it's Brandon here from Florida Outdoors RV Center here in Stuart, Florida. And I want to show you this pre-owned Wildwood by Forest River, extra light. Has an automatic awning, dual propane, and an automatic tongue jack. Little pop outs here on the side. One axle, very lightweight. The perfect starter travel trailer. Great for those weekend trips or a short vacation. Got the pop out here, and spare tire. The whole unit is in beautiful condition. Kitchen area, triple burner stove. The nice big bathroom area. Sleep someone in here. Of course, you have an air conditioner, keep it cool. Dometic fridge, little radio, some storage here as well. Some more sleeping here. You can probably sleep about 5 to 6 people here, depending on the size. If you have any questions about this RV, feel free to call us at 772-288-2221. Be more than glad to answer any questions you may have about this RV. Thanks so much for watching and have a wonderful day.